Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back again, and for your kind information, in the teaching learning process, we are learning about the advertisements for both the classes plus 1 and plus 2 standard. In your last video, I discussed about situation vacant or wanted along with you providing the PDF of in the form of exercises or the practices of situation vacant or wanted. But today I am going to discuss about the second part, second kind of the advertisement that is related to let, in which you have to follow some of the instructions. First of all, you have to begin with available wanted, available / wanted. Second point, you have to remember type of accommodation, type of accommodation. Type of accommodation means that number of rooms, comma, fixtures and furnitures, fixtures and furniture, comma, location. Second point, you have to include in your teaching learning process of advertisements. If the advertisement has in the form of to let, you have to follow all these instructions. Number third, clearly mention the terms. Clearly mention the terms and conditions. Clearly mention the terms and conditions. Next point, you have to take care. State the rent expected. State the rent expected. And next one, give your mailing address. Give your mailing address and postal address. You have to follow all these instructions at the time of attempting the advertisement which is in the form of to let. To let means या तो किराए के लिए होता है या वो बिका हुआ होता है. तो स्टूडेंट, पीछे भी मैंने आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन सेंड की थी पहले, और आज ये टू लेट का सेकंड काइंड का जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, आपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करना है. आई विल पुट दिस इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू राइट डाउन to tell you how to draft an advertisement. With this help, you have to prepare the advertisements. Suppose you would like to let out a portion of your independent house for office use. Write an advertisement for the classified column of the local newspaper giving all the necessary details. As an example, I am going to tell you about how to draft the advertisement which is related to lab. You have to write the title first of all, and in this form. And the most important thing, student, always put notice, advertisement and invitations. Put all these things in a box. So today I will tell you. First of all, as usual, you have to follow the instructions. Available 3 rooms on the first floor. Comma, fully furnished, comma, 24 multiply 7 water. 24 multiply 7 you can understand. During 1 week 24 घंटे जो है पानी की व्यवस्था की बात की जा रही है. Water and also electricity supply. Another one, separate exit, parking available for two wheeler Parking available for two-wheeler, available for office use, rent rupees 20,000 per month. And now, as usual, you can give your contact address, mail, email, whatever, your cell phone number, and put it in a box. After complete written work, you have to draw the box outline of the advertisement. So student, ये मैंने एक मेथड आपको बताया है कि किस तरह से हम एक जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है टू लेट से रिलेटेड आती है, या तो आपको जो है रेंट पे हायर करना है, या फिर वो कोई ऐसा एक पर्सन है, ओनर है, जो उस चीज को बेचना चाहता है. तो इस तरीके से आप शॉर्ट में यू विल नोट फॉर्म द सेंटेंसेस, अवॉइड from sentences. In short forms, you have to prepare a attractive and charming advertisement in this form. So students, आज हमने डिस्कस किया टू लेट एडवर्टाइजमेंट के बारे में, और जो इसका लास्ट पार्ट रहेगा फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू ऑल्सो सेल परचेज ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी और व्हीकल की सेल परचेज जो है या प्रॉपर्टी की सेल परचेज है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स इन योर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, गुड बाय एंड थैंक यू.